Hi everyone, welcome back. Till now, we saw about the CRUD operations, how to display all employees and how to create an employee and how to update an employee and how to delete an employee. But we are not implemented any validations. So in this session, we are going to see about how to perform simple validations using data annotations. So end of this session is what is data annotation, what is required validators, what is regular expression, what is ASP validation for stack helper, and what is small mistake. Let's see. Let's open the same Visual Studio which we used for last session. In our last session, we completed with delete employees. Now we need to perform the validations. Before that, I will run the application and I will tell you why the validation is needed. Click on employee management. Click on create new employees. Without providing any values in these fields, I'm clicking create employee. It shows some error because name is required field. So error. We need to handle it. So we can do it using data annotation. Let's see. Open our entity, that is employee model. Here, or the name field is record field. So we can use this type of data annotation. It is a record and error message equal to this sender name, employee name. Whenever that employee name is empty, then we need to display this error message. Okay. Then for salary, for age, we can provide some validation like range validators. We can restrict between the ages from 16 to 50. Like that, we can restrict. How we can do it? We have range validators. Range minimum age is 16 and maximum age is 60. Error message. If at end of the age is not satisfied this condition, we need to display some message. Please enter age between 16 to 60. Okay, fine. Now for salary. For salary, we need to enter. We need to allow to enter some decimal values only. For that, we can use some regular expression. I put the regular expression in a notepad. We can copy and use. For salary, we can use this type of regular expression. While running the application, let's see how this regular expression works. Same way for department name, we can provide the same mandatory validation in record field. This is the department name. Okay. For sex, we have radio button, male or female. We need to select any one of them. For that also, we can use some regular expression. Let's see. We can use this regular expression. Here we are providing this type of regular expression. So sex should be one M or F, male or female. If we are providing any A, B, C, D like that, then we need to show this type of error. Okay. Let's run the application. Click on employee management. We can create new employee. Without providing any details, we can create. Again, it's not working. So, how to handle it? If any error occurs, then I will tell you. In the create employee section, employee controller, go to create employee section. Here we can give model state. We have one concept called model state. Model state is valid. That means we provided some data annotations here. If any one of the data annotation error occurs, then model state will become false. If no error is there, then model state that is valid is true. In that time only we need to perform below operation. But we already implemented that we need to perform this operation. Yes, we need to stay back on the same wave. Return wave. Let's run the application. Clicking on employee management and clicking on create new employee. In this time, model state. Sorry, we did the code in the wrong step. We need to use this code in our HTTP post method. I will cut this code. I will use it here. Okay, let's run the application. Click on employee management and create new employee. Continue. I didn't enter any values and I am clicking create employee button. Now breakpoint comes here. Now here model state is false because we have some error. All states are invalid. It return it stay back there only. Stay back on the same way, but that error message not displayed here. We need to display the error message. How to do that? Go back. Get employee.cshtml. Here we need to display one more time. We already told that we are going to see about ASP validation for stack filter. You can use this ASP validation. For that we can use some spam tag. Spam ASP validation for equal to name. Let's run the application. create new employee. You can create employee. Just please enter employee name. The same way we need to provide the span element for all controls. Let's agree. Department and perfect. And the application. Create employee. You can create employee. Okay. The value invalid, the value is invalid. Okay. The process values. Oops. Okay. Everything settled. Now we are seeing the status. But this button text is not displayed, right? Why this button text not displayed? Because it's invalid. Model state is valid, only we are displaying the button text. Model state is not valid, and we are not displaying the text. So we need to display this else condition also. But we need to display this button text, right? How to let's see. If employee ID equal to 0, it is model state is valid or invalid. That is not a method. Then for that we can create employee, else create employee. Let's run that. And employee management can create new employee. We can create employee. Error message displayed as well as our employee create employee text also displayed. Fix that issue. Now we can provide some valid values here. what happens. Model state is invalid. We entered all values, still model state is invalid. Right? It's done. So we can fix this issue in our next video. Thanks for watching.